Hi, Crystal here from Space to Love, and I'm back in my friend's kitchen. So if you watched the other video, we were doing pots and pans and other things that are around in the cabinets, but we never got to the spice cabinet. So I thought I would come back and we would do the spice cabinet really quick, still using the Space to Love 5-step method, the setup, sort, select, sanitize, and style. And we are going to just jump right in and start with the setup. So if you remember, the setup is just make sure you have some room to work. We're gonna take everything out. We're gonna sort like with like. We also need a garbage, recycle. I have, again, my markers and Post-it notes and a scissor and everything just to make it easy. So we have everything on hand. We don't have to run and get anything. We are ready to work. Okay, so now we are on step 2, which is sort. We are gonna take everything out and we are gonna start putting like with like. So, you know, and we could even make, so like I said, with using the Post-its and the markers, maybe we're just going to do like, here's some teas. It looks like we have a lot of sprinkles and stuff, so we might have a baking. And then we just have all of these spices like taco sides, and we're gonna find some interesting things. So I don't really know what all the categories are gonna be, but we are going to make them as we go along. Okay, so we're just about at the end of sorting here, and our categories are teas and honey. We have baking, spices, seasonings. But there's a fun game that I like to play when I'm looking at all the expiration dates and seeing like what's the oldest date, like how long has this stuff been sitting around? And this one is actually 2006. So I think that's the winner for this spice cabinet. But interestingly enough, we also found like jewelry. I don't know. So this stuff we're actually going to put in with the rest of the jewelry, but interestingly enough, it's going to free up a lot of space for us. So that's actually a good thing. So we're gonna move that out and get into the select part. So as far as the select process goes, when we're doing the spices and spice cabinet, it really was easy because we got rid of so much already because we got rid of everything that was expired. So there was a few items that were questionable. They might not have had the expiration date on. I asked my client if she wanted to keep them or if she wanted to let them go. So we made those decisions. And then also just like a few things, like there was some decor items that, you know, I just wanted to see if she really wanted to select and keep those. So it was a really simple process here, again, because we did get rid of a lot of the expired food. So the work was kind of done for us. Okay, so we just did step 4, which is basically sanitize. So we just wiped down the shelves, made sure it was nice and clean. Again, they haven't been in there in a while, so it was nice to freshen everything up. And now we're gonna get into step 5, which is style. Okay, so we just finished the last step, which is style. And in this, we didn't go out and buy any fancy bins or do anything crazy. Like I said, this is my friend's house, and so we were just you know, doing this for fun. So we actually just utilized stuff she already had. So with her seasoning, I thought it would be nice to actually use one of these containers to fit that in and then just label it. So that makes it easy, so she'll be able to see those. And then with all of her baking, since she did have a lot of the sprinkles and everything, so we just used one of these containers and I just labeled it baking. So she has that. And then this last one with her teas, she's an avid tea drinker, so we want these handy for her in one place. So that'll be there. And then we just labeled other things like spices and honey, just to keep it really simple and clean looking. But the most important thing is that she can find everything that she needs when she needs it. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, or if you want to comment, we'd love to hear from you. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, Space to Love. If you want to just know more about us, check us out at spacetolove.com. And again, thank you so much for watching.